Okay boys, I'm down here at the park. I thought I'd shoot a quick little video of some of the Bugs 3s I got set up right now. Excuse the noise in the background, there's some guys over there drilling for something, I don't know what. Anyway, yeah, finally got the red one. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? And of course the blue one. That's actually the best flying stock one I've got. Then there are the ones that I have modified. This one on the end with the red props, I just tried the props today. Worked out really well, really responsive, but you'll see it has a mohawk. That's my own little addition there. Give it a little character. But if I pop the hood, you'll see, bam! Look at that. That's a Mamba stack with an XM Plus. No, that's not the XM Plus. That's the other FR Sky receiver. But yeah, full range. That thing's awesome. This thing flies, well, I can't even describe it. And then the one next to it, I had another one, but I lost it in a horrible incident where it flew away, and who knows where it is. This one's got the individual ESCs, 30 amp, and yeah, that's all. Also got extra wiring for cameras and such, so that's what all that extra stuff in this one is. The other one was just not a neat job. This one's got wires in there for a purpose. All right, and a giant cap, of course, always recommended. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you the Bugs 3s that I got rocking out here. Oh, on the bottom I got elastic. Used the sides of the existing mount for batteries, clipped them off, screwed them down, and put elastic on there. I can put any size I want in there. And of course the XT60. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.